Manalla. I am the Senior Territory Sales Manager in New Orleans. I thought it was a very well-attended, very organized event. I'm very excited for New Orleans to be able to plant some new growth, some new trees that are needed in this area, especially after some really devastating hurricanes that we've experienced through the last year. Today was amazing to come out and see so many people, and the fact that SageSure was a big part of this paperless event that we try to push, and we are thrilled that people take advantage of that. The outcome today was really amazing. The weather wasn't great, but the people that came out made it great. We particularly enjoyed our Diamond Elite partners, TWFG, Steve Lavecchio's office, who came out and joined us in this fabulous event. Thank you, TWFG.